How to store and retrieve files in Supabase from Lovable. In order to do that, first head over to lovable.dev, log in, and then scroll down. You should be able to find in here your projects. If you don't have one yet, just create using this Lovable AI. Now in here, I have this particular project. Let's click on this. And then from in there, they should be able to open right here. You can find in here a preview as well as the history of the chat. For this case, let's click onto this Supabase icon. Click onto this Connect Supabase. And after you have done that, click on this Connect a Project option in order to connect this particular project to Supabase. So I have connected it right here. What we can do is we just need to head over right here to the storage. Go over right here and click on storage. And then after that, you can see it right here. We can just create buckets. Click onto this new bucket right here and then name your bucket. For example, let's name this images. Choosing here the bucket type, you can make it a public bucket if you want and click onto this create. Once you have done that, it should be able to be added right here. So what you can do is we just need to prompt Lovable AI to create the necessary UI components for the file uploads and the application. For example, head over to Lovable and then input right here your prompt. You can input right here specific prompts and then send it to Lovable, and then any images or any files uploaded using that will be stored to this particular Supabase part. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.